is a short video, but this is in Galveston Island, San Luis Pass, West End. End of summer, known for the sandy conditions and back roads where people either go fishing or riding ATVs. We came across this SUV. Some people had attempted to get it out and could not. So we had the kinetic rope. We use Yankum, and we're ready to assist them. So this video will just kind of show you our approach. And obviously, our rescue dog was with us. What I do is I use a Yankum tree strap, and I connect it on the back of my vehicle, actually on both hooks, and he had a tow hook on the front of his vehicle, so I used a soft shackle to connect to that as well. His vehicle was four-wheel drive, but based on the load and where he was, he kept spinning. So I was just giving the driver directions, 3 blows of the horn, then I'll take off, and then I'll blow my horn when we stop. And then the entire family was gathered around filming. Hey, we're going to keep going to that flat spot.
Yeah, okay, yeah, good.
Okay. Our goal is to bring them to a nice hard landing spot. It's a 30-foot kinetic rope with a 30% stretch, which gives us that stored power and helps them extract out of the area.
No way. One shot. One shot.